Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Sum number 5. Aishwarya bought 496 rupees 100 shares at rupee 132 each. Find first investment made by her, second income of Aishwarya from these shares if the rate of dividend is 7.5%. How much extra must Aishwarya invest in order to increase her income by rupees 7,200. NV of one share, nominal value of one share is rupees 100. Market value of one share is 132. Okay, numbers of shares bought 496. So total investment made 496 into 132, that is equals to rupees 65,472. Dividend on one share is 7.5% of rupee 100 because NV is rupee 100. Therefore rupees 7.5. Income from these shares, numbers of shares into dividend on one share. So 496 into 7.5, that is rupees 3,720. Income wants to be increased by rupees 7,200. Therefore numbers of shares bought is equals to increase in income upon income in one share. Increase in income, how much she wants? 7,200. Income on one share is 7.5 rupee. That is equals to 960 shares. Therefore, she should invest 960 into 132. That is equals to rupees 1,26,720 rupees. Sum number 6. Gopal has some rupee 100 shares of company A, paying 10% dividend. He sells a certain numbers of these shares at a discount of 20% and invests the proceeds in rupee 100 shares at rupee 60 of company B, paying 20% dividend. If his income from these shares sold increased by rupees 18,000, find the numbers of shares sold by Gopal. Let the numbers of shares sold is equals to X. NV of first share, one share is rupees 100. Rate of dividend 10%. Therefore dividend on one share 10% of rupee 100, rupees 10. Therefore dividend on X share 10 into X, that is rupees 10x. Selling price of one share is equals to 100 minus 20% of 100, that is 20. 100 minus 20, rupees 80. Therefore selling price of X share 80 into X, rupees 80x. In second case, some invested 80x. NV of each share rupees 100. Market value of each share rupees 60. Therefore numbers of shares bought, sum invested upon MV of each share, that is equals to 80x upon 60 equal to 4 upon x, 4 into x upon 3. Dividend of each share 20% of 100 rupee, that is rupees 20. Total dividend received, dividend on one share into numbers of share. Dividend of one share is rupees 20, numbers of share 4x upon 3, that is equals to 80x upon 3. Increase in income rupees 18,000. Dividend from second share minus dividend on first share. 80x upon 3 minus 10x, that is equals to rupees 18,000. Divide and multiply by 3, so 30x upon 3. Therefore 80x minus 30x upon 3 is equals to 18,000. 80 minus 30, 50x upon 3 equal to 18,000. Therefore x is equals to 18,000 into 3 upon 50 equal to 1080. Therefore numbers of shares sold by Gopal is equals to 1080. Sum number 7. A man invests a certain sum of money in 6% rupee 100 share at rupees 12 premium. When the share fetched to rupees 96, he sold out all the shares bought and the proceeds in 10%, 10 rupee shares at rupee 8. If the change in his income is rupees 540, find the sum invested originally. Find the sum invested originally. So let the original sum invested is rupees X. Number of 100 rupee 100 share purchased at a premium of rupees 12 means MV of one share is 112. Therefore numbers of shares bought is equals to sum invested upon M market value of one share, that is X upon 112. Income at 6%, that is equals to 6 rupees for one share, because NV nominal value of one share is rupees 100. Total income, numbers of shares into income of one share, X upon 112 into 6, that is equal to 3x upon 56. Sale of one share is 96 at rupees 96. Therefore total sale 96 into numbers of share, 96 into x upon 112, that is equals to 6x upon 7. Case 2. Nominal value of one share rupees 10. Market value of one share rupees 8. Therefore numbers of shares bought is equals to proceeds from sale, means how much money we got from first case, upon MV of one share, that is equals to 6x upon 7 upon 8 equal to 3x upon 28. Dividend on of one share 10% of rupees 100, 10, that is equals to 10 upon 100 into 10 equal to rupee 1. Total dividend, number of shares into income per share, that is equals to 3x upon 28 into 1 equal to 3x upon 28. Change in income rupees 540. Income bought from new shares minus income from old shares is equals to 540. Income from new shares is 3x upon 28. From old share minus 3x upon 56 equals to 540. Therefore, here first multiply by 2. It will be 6x upon 56. 6x minus 3x is equals to 3x upon 56 into 540. Therefore, x is equals to 540 into 56 upon 3 equal to 10,080. The original sum invested is rupees 10,080.